Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel ServerGyan. My name is Dr. Lokendra Singh and today we are going to discuss about managing compressed archives. But before starting this video, I would like to request you guys please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to press bell icon as you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Okay, so let us start. So what is tar? So archiving and compressing files are useful when creating backups or transferring data across network. Tar is one of the oldest and most common commands for creating and working with backups. So tar is the particular command for that. So if you run tar command, you will get this sort of error. So what you need to do is you need to run command like tar, then after cf, it means tar, then C for create and F for obviously file name you can have here, and if you run cf then it means it is going to work forcefully. First of all, you will have to specify the name of your tar file. For example, I'm going to write here log.tar, then after etc, it means it will create a backup for me, but it is giving me one warning that this will remove this slash. This could be interview question, that why we cannot include slash before taking backup. Reason being, once you extract tar files, wherever you extract, so it will create file in the same fashion as it is extracted. If you run tar-except then archive name, so if you see here, then log directory has been created inside this directory. Okay, let me remove this file. Fine. Okay, let me remove this file. Okay, leave it. Okay, so what I was trying to describe is, what I was trying to say, that if you list any file or if you are extract any file, so it will definitely redirect it to the same location. Fine. There is one more challenge with tar command. If you are going to run tar then cf, you are going to run tar cf, it means create and forcefully, then you are going to give the same name like log.tar, and after that you are going to give some other directory, maybe slash boot, then slash grub. If you are going to give like this, so what it will do is it will remove the content of your previous file. If I untar the same file, for example, I'm going to run tar then xf, I'm going to run, and if I run the same command here tar-xf, and after that I give the name of directory, so which is log.tar, so it will extract one another file here for me. So keep this thing in mind, that whenever you are going to run the command, so that should not have anything inside that which can cause harm to your system once that is overwritten. So it means you are supposed to take backup within any specific directory where no previous backup with the same name exists. Fine. So what next is like tar cvf, then your backup name, then after you are going to give the particular directory whichever you are going to take. So what it does is, if you run -v, if you run this v here, if you place this v in place, so it means it will list you all the files which are being captured during your archive. Fine. So let me remove rm-rf etc, then boot. So I'm not removing those particular slash files, I'm removing just from this current location. One more thing I would like to let you know, guys. So if I run ls-lrth, so it shows that this is of 31 MB. So till now I have just created backup, but I have not compressed it. It means if you want, obviously if you want to have such kind of information that what sort of files are included in it, so you can run tar-tf, then after your backup name. So if you run tar-tf command, so it will list all the files inside your backup. Keep this thing in mind, that this is not going to extract anything, this is just going to list here. If you run this command ls, so it will list only the tar backup file is there, but it will show you tar, then tf command will show you the content of this file, but it will not extract it. For extracting you have to run command which is tar-xf. It means extract, and forcefully it will run and it will extract all the data for you. Fine. So now what next? If you need to take backup of any specific folder, so what you need to do is you need to compress as well. And for compressing, there are multiple switches which are provided by obviously tar command. So what do we have here? First of all, that we are going to utilize here the particular command which is known as tar. Then after we are going to use here option C, F, and after that Z. It means create forcefully, and Z means zip file. It will create a zip file for me. So I will give log.tar.gz for my on acknowledgement. GZ I'm going to write. So this will do what is, it will create a new file for me, and it will obviously compress the file. So before a moment, if you see, so I have renamed the file for you. So you can check here the file which is not compressed, that is of 31 MB, and the particular file which is compressed, that is of 11 MB. One more thing is here, if you want that this particular file should be more compressed, it means it should be compressed with some other tool. So if you want, you can remove Z and you can place J here. It means if you are going to use Z, so this is you going to use zip command. But if you are going to use J, then it is going to use bzip2 command. So this will compress your file in more effective manner. So have I done something wrong here? Okay. Then tar-c j f will have to be at last. So only after that it will work. Cannot no such file directory. Or okay, I will have to install bzip2 yum install bzip2 -y. It means till the time this command is available in the system, this is not going to work. Reason being, because tar is invoking bzip2 command in background, so that is not available. That is why this command is not working. So this, you may have to see such kind of issues while working with tar command. So need not to worry about once you find that tar command is not available. And you can install yum-bzip2, that is the yum install bzip2 and all the command whatever that is. So you can run that command and you can check that. For example, what was the command? So yum install bzip2 -y, this was the command, and after that I ran the same command again, which is tar cjf, then lock1.tar, and after that your location of folder where whatever you are going to compress. So see what is the difference here. If we check this particular file, so this is uncompressed file, this is just a backup file but uncompressed. This is compressed and this is with compressed with bzip2. So it means a file or a folder which was of 31 MB before, so it is just of 9 MB. It means 1/3 it has compressed. So in the same manner you can compress your file and you can utilize your folder with some other commands, maybe cjf or maybe czf. So that is it, like how you can create your backup or how you can restore your backup using tar command. For example, if you have a folder and if you want to extract it on some other system, so what you can do is you can shift this particular, you can run scp command. Scp command I'm going to let you know with the next video for sure. So I'm going to let you know some more tools which can be asked during interview. I'll not show the I'm not going to show all the practicals. You can try it yourself if you face an issue. So you can write down in comment box and I will explain that. But the major part I have already covered for creating backup, compressing file, extracting them and all. Okay, so tar-c means this will create new archive, x means this will extract file, then after t means it will list file, then after if it is v, it means it is for verbose. If you are going to talk about p, it means it will preserve permission of your existing system. Okay, this can be one interview question, that what if some developer or some tester or maybe some system admin has executed such a command which has placed the particular permission to 777 to all the particular file inside etc. How would you recover that? So the option is like you can take backup of any other server which is newly created and you can extract the files here in /temp folder, and after that you can obviously take reference for permission from there and you can place your permissions on this folder. I know this is a bit tricky question and you can do it easily. This is not going to take more than couple of minutes. So this is how you can work with tar. For example, if you want to go more in depth, so you can read man pages for tar command. It means it will show you all the options. For example, if you want to have tar-cf, if you place this hyphen, then it works. If you don't place, then it works. Archive.tar, then foo.bar. It means you can place single files as well. You can create tar of multiple files. Then after tar-tbf archive.tar, it will list all the content. Then after xf, it will obviously unarchive. Then after -f b20 and multiple options are here. Then -a multiple options are append tar files into an archive. If you want to append a tar file into already existing tar file, then you can use -a option. C for create, D for difference and compare two tar files. That's if you want to delete an archive, find from tape and all, so you can use -delete option. Then after, if you want to append an archive, so you can use -r. So these are the particular main options which are supposed to be known to a system admin. Fine. So this is your tar command. And if you want to compress your particular any folder using zip command, so you can install zip command in your system, and after that you can let me write here yum install. I must write here install yum install zip -y. Doing this, you will install zip command. So zip -r. After that, you have to write the name of file, maybe etc.zip. Then after /etc. So whatever you are going to archive, so it will even let you know that how much it has compressed your file. So ls-lrth. If I run the command, so etc.zip of 13 MB, because it is compressed by zip, and log.tar.gz, because I am just showing you the example of all of etc folder. Fine. So it is of 13 MB, it was of 11 MB. So that totally depends that what tool you are going to use to compress your files. Fine. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is how you can work with your bzip, zip and rest of properly. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good time. Keep on learning. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, so please like, share and subscribe. Have a good time. Happy learning from ServerGyan. Thank you.